They say good fences make good neighbors, but that may not necessarily be true if you have a dispute with your neighbor as to where the fence should be. Boundary disputes are common. The person next door may be planting trees or building a fence or using a portion of the driveway. And the question is, are you encroaching on their property or are they encroaching on yours? First, hire a licensed surveyor who will come out to your property and physically locate your boundary line based upon the legal description in your deed. This will tell you if there's an encroachment. Next, order a title search. It may be that the previous owner of your property granted your neighbors access to your property and it's recorded in a deed. If you have title insurance, which you probably do if you have a mortgage on your house, this all should have been disclosed to you at the time you bought your house. And if it wasn't, the title company may be legally obligated to sort out these issues. So what do you do if there's an encroachment? First, approach your neighbor directly, but do so carefully and tactfully. Being at odds with your neighbor can be very stressful and can completely destroy your enjoyment of your home. Offer to sit down, show him your documentation. Agree to mediate if necessary. That means sitting down with a neutral third party to try to reach a resolution. If that doesn't work, you may need to hire a lawyer to send a letter. You can offer a compromise on the boundary line, or you can request payment to compensate you for the taking of your land. Your last resort is to file a lawsuit to have a judge decide who the legal owner of the property is. But before you do that, you need to make sure that the cost of litigation is not going to exceed the value of the property. It could be that little strip of land is just not worth fighting over. When it comes to boundary disputes, my legal advice is listen to Benjamin Franklin, who said, "Be at war with your vices, but be at peace with your neighbors."